Remember, she's going to probably try and stop at the gate, so don't let her, okay? Very good. Okay, pull back and ask her to stop. Very good. Okay. Tell her to walk. Very good. Okay, can you turn her around and ask her to go the other direction? Very good. Keep her turning. Now tell her to walk. Very good. Keep her on the edge. Pull her to the edge. Kick with your right leg. There you go. Good job. Okay, we'll just squeeze with your legs. I think this side needs to be tightened up a little bit. Or shortened. Okay, pull back. Ask her to stop. Okay, now ask her to back up. Back. Okay, now put your hand down. Now kick her and ask her to walk. Very good. Pull her that way. Don't let her come to me. Remember, right leg, right leg, right leg only. Pull her to the left and kick her with your right leg. Very good.
It feels nice and cool outside.
Doesn't it?
Walk, girl. Jogging. She was just about to jog. I felt it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I told her to walk.
And then she just kept walking, huh? Ask her to stop.